this has been a tough day. Nice waking up in the middle of nowhere, nice and quiet. Nothing around. Birds are chirping this morning, the first time I've heard that in a few days. It rained all night, which was smells gorgeous this morning, and maybe the smoke will be kind of gone. So we'll see how today is.
Screamed out for more. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each morning while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go. Like the journey just begun. It's the storm.
So we're in an area just northwest of Kamloops. It's known as the Upper Thompson Plateau. Primarily this is a prime logging area for lodgepole pine and a lot of reforested areas, and then a lot of open range cattle. So every once in a while you stumble upon a herd of cows and the odd bull, and you just make your way around them. But the roads are nice, relatively smooth, one lane, little seldom used forestry roads, little pullouts every kilometer or so, just to let the logging trucks go by when they do log out of here. It's still raining, so not a lot of filming, but it sure smells nice. Anyway, let's get rolling.
You don't let your feelings haunt you. You don't ever get nervous, do you? With all the right cards in your hands. I'm breathing just to feel my body. You're screaming just to say you're sorry when it don't turn out the way you planned. It was more than a feeling. From the floor to the ceiling. Wish I knew how to tell you. I need someone to believe in.
I had read about a washout on this road that they hadn't repaired and they weren't going to. I was expecting it to be a bit of a grunt to try to figure out how to get through it, but as you can see, people are still going through. Onward ho!
When I go, you gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay.
Said the rain was nice, but you didn't have to start raining more.
I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. It's not about the walls you break it, 'cause when you stop, the world keeps shaking, and I don't want to be apart. Then I heard it in the morning, and then I saw it in the evening.
Get you clean.
And then you said without a warning,
This has been a tough day.
someone to believe.
Raining all day, some substantial climbs. Nicely enough though, I have a very long downhill, but it's going to be cold. So I probably won't take any video on the way down, but off to camp.
You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I go. I'm screaming out. I'm screaming out. It's not love, it's a trap we fall in. Just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we fall in. It's not love, it's a trap we fall in. Just like the war we fought in. Not love, it's a trap we fall in. 'Cause it hurts
Soaked thoroughly to the core with a sprinkle of mud and sand just for good insurance.
even more when I go. You gotta let me know. Yeah, it hurts whenever I stay. Is there another way? But it hurts even more when I
It's
go.
going to be a soggy night. It's lit up a little bit, but I don't think it's going to stop. So time to make dinner impromptu and get shelter and stay out of the rain. I was the subject of a mid-trip intervention. Eric, a high school buddy of mine and fellow cyclist, knew I was rolling through the area and came up with his dog, Sira. Much to my surprise, he pulled out a cooler full of beer and fat juicy steaks. It was an amazing evening, laughing over old stories, talking about new adventures while warming our feet by the fire. I have to say, thanks man.